Next up, we're going to work through how you can go from just a standard kick up on the wall to then starting to balance. So this is the best drill you can do that with. So we're going to kick up to the handstand. Obviously, make sure you've spent a bit of time working through that first progression of just kicking up to the wall and feeling like you can hold your own on the wall. The next progression is being able to peel our feet off the wall. So we're going to start with one leg first. Now what we want to emphasize here is that we're creating a hollow body, so that means tucking the ribs to the hips and having that strength to the midline. So I'm going to sort of spot him here, and then he's going to bring his second leg off, bring his feet together, and now you can see he's starting to balance on his own. Now if you want, you can get a spot early on to help you, to sort of give you a bit of guidance, like create a buffer. So we just went through creating a hollow body. What we don't want to see is any sort of hyperextension of that back. So creating a banana is what we call it. We want to make sure we have all that tension through the midline. So just a little switch of force production there. So we're trying to get the abs active, the quads are active, and we're just sort of letting our hips come back towards the wall so we can create that midline stability through the front.